one.
That is a good one.
Do this a craft.
Mm-hmm. What kind of craft?
It's craft.
Is that a good one? Is that a good one?
No.
What are we doing?
A tree. A pie. A tree. Yeah. Here goes me. Here goes me. Try.
You'll need some crayons of some sort, some paper, and you'll need some leaves of some sort. Go out on a nature hunt and get some leaves. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing leaf rubbing. So we are gonna pick out a color. What color would you like, Jace?
Pink.
You want pink?
Oh. Black.
Black? And mommy wants... There's no purple? Okay, here's purple. Okay, so first this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the leaf and you set it down and then you press your paper over it. And then you gently start going like this, back and forth.
Yes.
And you press a little bit, that way it gets like the veins, I guess is what you could call it. And it starts to look really cool. See, like this. And then you can do different layers too. So I'm just gonna keep on going like this. First you gotta put your leaf underneath, honey. See, like this, and then you do it. Here's yours, Jace. And you take your crayon. Do you wanna set down your food? So now you can color, just randomly color. I'm gonna do some gray.
Me try.
Here, let's put the leaf over here. Okay, now rub it.
Wow.